Hey guys, this is a quick video on how you can download the IMM 5708 form. It's pretty straightforward. So what you're gonna do is that you just wanna write it in Google. So you're gonna come here and you're gonna paste it, and it's going to be first link. And then you want to like open it, and when you're gonna click automatically, it's going to download. And then you want to like open it, and look at that. So if it doesn't help, and if it doesn't open for you straight up, what you need to do is you need to go to settings, right here, PDF, then click site settings, then you want to click PDF documents and download PDFs, and then you will be able to download it. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this video helped you, and have a great day and goodbye.